we tested 6 AI prompts that could change how your team creates content. I am Sandeep from QubitOne, and honestly, before Nano Banana, we were spending hours on Canva, Photoshop, and hiring freelance designers. But Nano Banana changed our entire workflow. Let me show you the exact prompts we use. First up, let's say someone needs a hero product shot for the Instagram ad campaign. So we uploaded this protein powder bottle along with this prompt, and boom, in a few minutes we got these two variations, and they're so amazing. The ingredients are flying all over and it looks so good. For creating something softer for an Instagram post, you can use this prompt with any product, and the results are actually pretty good. This time, let's create some merch for our team, and boom, the mockups are ready. Maybe I'll print it sometime in the future. Let's say someone want to change their brand's headphone package design to a modern minimalistic style. Now we can use this prompt on any package design, and boom, we got the new design, and it's so good. Suppose someone wants to create Instagram stickers for their brand, then they can use this prompt. This final prompt is used for creating cinematic posters for any product, and wow, it looks so good. I seriously can't believe how much these models have improved in just a few months. So yeah, you can use these prompts anytime, and they've saved our clients countless hours and helped them create content they actually love. I have created a complete PDF guide with all these prompts, step-by-step instructions, and many more other business variations. It's completely free, links in the description, along with the GitHub repository where we found these prompts. If you are running a business, doing client work, or just tired of spending hours on these design tools, use these prompts. And if you do, just drop a comment which one worked best for you. I'm Sandeep, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe.